In a world filled with uncertainty and disappointments, there is an unwavering truth that stands tall. You, my dear friend, need to know this. God will never fail you. Through the depths of despair and the fiercest storms, His love remains steadfast. You are not alone in your struggles. In His divine wisdom and boundless grace, God holds your hand, guiding you through life's obstacles. Trust in His unwavering promise and find solace in His faithfulness. Let His love anchor your soul, for He is your rock, your refuge, and your unwavering support. Believe that He will never fail you, for His love endures forever. So, dear friend, rest assured that in every circumstances, God's love will carry you through. You can place your trust in Him, for He will never fail you. If you believe, type Amen.